Good day everyone, this is my video presentation talking about 4 laws of thermodynamics. The zeroth law of thermodynamics states that if two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with third system, then they are also in thermal equilibrium with each. The first law of thermodynamics is a version of law of conservation of energy, adapted for thermodynamics processes. In general, the conservation law states that the total energy of isolated system is constant. Energy can be transformed from one form to another, but can be neither created nor destroyed. The second law of thermodynamics is a physical law based on universal empirical observation concerning heat and energy interconversion. A simple statement of the law is that heat always flows from hotter to colder region of matter. The third law of thermodynamics states that the entropy of a perfect crystal approaches zero as the temperature approaches absolute zero. In simpler terms, as the substance gets colder and colder, approaching absolute zero, its disorder decreases and approaches a minimum value. For a perfect crystal, this minimum entropy is zero. Here's a more detailed explanation. Entropy. Entropy is a measure of the disorder or randomness within a system. Absolute zero. Absolute zero is the lowest possible temperature, theoretically the point at which all molecular motion ceases. Perfect crystal. Perfect crystal is a highly ordered structure with no defect or impurities. The third law, implication. The third law implies that it is impossible to reach absolute zero in infinite number of steps because the closer you get to absolute zero, the more energy it takes to remove any remaining disorder. Real-world application. The third law has implication in various fields, including the study of superconductivity and the behavior of matter at extremely low temperature.